Hello friends, my name is Pravar Kataria. I enrolled in class 8 in Akash Institute to build my concepts and to qualify foundational level examinations. In class 11th and 12th, I opted for JEE examination preparation. The classroom sessions here at Akash are interactive and very engaging. The environment here is very competitive, which helps us to increase our rank constantly. The concepts are explained in step-by-step manner in detail, which helps us to build the concepts crystal clear.
It is a side-proof opinion ke time.
Akash provides a comprehensive study material wherein each topic and chapter is written in an easy-to-understand language. The in-text questions and the back exercises consist of past JEE problems and also problems of all variety which can come in the final exam. Also, we are provided with various question banks like Success Achiever, Success Magnet, which play an important role in boosting our rank. Rigorous testing here in Akash in the form of fortnightly test series, term exams, AIATS, final test series, archive test series are very helpful. Also, doubt sessions are conducted after each exam, which helps us to analyze our mistakes and learn from them. AIATS is a great platform to compete with the Akashians and non-Akashians all over the India. The questions asked in AIATS are of slight greater difficulty than the actual examination, which keeps us prepared in any scenario. These tests allow us to evaluate our performance, work upon the weak areas. Akash library contained books from both foreign and Indian authors. Whenever I needed a book for reference, I could easily issue it through the library. JEE is conducted in CBT mode, and Akash understands that. In order to be JEE ready, we also need to be CBT ready. Akash CBT provides us with the real JEE examination scenario. Akash iTutor has recorded lectures. Whenever I missed a class, had a doubt or wanted to revise, I could simply review it. Sometimes due to reason beyond control, if I could not attend my online class, I could easily go to the Akash iTutor and review it.
You need to prove that this is equal to 4 times.
Doubt sessions provide an opportunity to interact with the subject experts and clarify all the doubts one-to-one. The journey through JEE is long and challenging. It is common to encounter ups and downs, and it is normal to feel overwhelmed. Whenever I felt like giving up, motivational sessions by our respected chairman Mr. J.C. Chaudhary sir inspired me to work hard and achieve my dreams.
I am ultimate. I can do whatever I want in my life. और believe me, जैसे ये belief आपके अंदर घुस गया कि मैं सब कुछ कर सकती हूँ, फिर वो कर भी दोगे.
With the COVID-19 pandemic situation resulting into lockdown and closure of educational institutions, webinars helped me a lot. I want to thank my parents, family, Akash Institute, teachers and mentors who guided me through this success. I would suggest all JEE aspirants to join Akash as it helps you to reach your maximum potential. Thank you.